Extraordinary times call for extraordinary machines. Today, we're talking about power, precision, and the future of flight. A new generation of aerial superiority is upon us with the unveiling of the latest fighter jet, a marvel of modern engineering that is set to redefine the world of aviation. This is no ordinary flying machine. It's a cutting-edge, fifth-generation aircraft, a titan among the clouds that is speculated to be based on the stealthy J-31 model. This new fighter jet is an embodiment of technological advancement, a testament to human innovation that is taking us into the uncharted territories of the sky. The new jet is a carrier-based fighter, an integral part of an ever-growing fleet of aircraft carriers. This addition to the fleet is expected to enhance the operational efficiency of the carrier, promising catapults for more efficient plane launches and a larger flight deck. The stealth capabilities of this new aircraft are a significant talking point. The new jet is expected to be a game-changer in modern warfare, with the ability to evade radar detection and strike with deadly precision. This level of stealth, coupled with its anticipated range and payload capabilities, is a clear signal of a new era in military aviation. The jet's potential does not stop at stealth and efficiency. It's speculated to be a fifth-generation aircraft, a breed of machines that are not just faster and stealthier, but smarter too. With the integration of artificial intelligence, this aircraft is expected to have enhanced maneuverability and decision-making capabilities, offering support that could be the difference between victory and defeat in the heat of battle. This is more than just a new fighter jet. It's a symbol of ambition, of progress. It's a technological leap forward for naval capabilities, matching the ambition of a growing carrier fleet. This jet is not just a new piece of equipment, but a statement of intent, a demonstration of the potential of human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of advancement. In conclusion, the unveiling of this new fighter jet is a landmark moment in aviation history. It represents a new generation of aircraft equipped with advanced stealth capabilities, efficient launch systems, and groundbreaking artificial intelligence technology. This is not just a step forward, it's a giant leap into the future of flight. As we marvel at this new machine, we are reminded of the endless possibilities that lie ahead in the realm of aviation. This is the future, and it's taking off right before our very eyes.